This is Kyle Miskell, and I'm here with Sabrina Robertson on this St. Patrick's Day. She is sporting her green. And Dr. Robertson, I'm here to ask you about your current research and any grants you have in the work.
So I was recently awarded with my co-PI, Dr. Carlos Galler, a NSF research experience for undergraduates. And we're very excited about this grant because it takes advantage of many faculty on the CBM's campus as well as across NC State's campus. The grant is focused on next generation sequencing technology and student immersion in next generation sequencing technology research. So we plan to train 30 students over 3 years, and those students will participate in research labs across the campus as well as in some biotech labs in RTP. And the common thread for all the students will be that they're working on a next generation sequencing project, even though they may be working in very different fields. So for example, Dr. Seth Faith is participating in the grant as a research mentor, and his students will be exploring wildlife protection and identifying novel DNA markers by using next generation sequencing technology. We also have another CVM faculty member, Dr. Santosh Mishra, who will be exploring the itch sensation using next generation sequencing technology with his students. And then we have students that will be on campus looking at things like metagenomics of caviar and how to make caviar more sustainable and cheaper, so that it's more accessible to the average person, as well as identifying novel CRISPR-Cas tools working with individuals like Dr. Chase Beisel in the engineering department. So a wide variety of projects, but all the students will be working on this common theme. And we hope they will learn a lot about next generation sequencing technology and how important it has become. It is an absolute critical skill for the modern molecular biologist, because as you may know, it took over 10 years to sequence the human genome and $450 million, but today we can sequence a single person's human genome in a day for under $1,000, and it won't be long before people are doing this out in the field. So our upcoming next generation of scientists really need to know how to handle next generation sequencing technology and the big data that is to come.
Very nice. And when do you hope for this to begin?
So this will begin in the summer of 2018. We'll have our first cohort of 10 students that will be here for 10 weeks.
Oh, well, that's great. Thank you for sharing, and we look forward to seeing it begin.
All right, thanks.